Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we don't really have a lot planned, but our boy Black Aaron is on his way here. He's gonna be sliding through with the F-body, and I'm about to try to help this man get his fitment right. Y'all know me, I'm a wheel whore. I have a few different sets of wheels, and I want to try a few things on Aaron's car. That way we can kind of get the offset, and then I can give him like a rough estimate on kind of like his specs that he's going to need for his F-body. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got going on today. He's going to be sliding through. You guys love seeing me and Aaron on the same camera, video, or whatever. So we're going to have some fun. My boy going to be sliding through. Today's going to be a little chill day. But yeah, letting y'all know now, I don't want y'all feeling like we got an extravagant day going on, because we're really just gonna be at the house chilling. So I'm about to go outside, pick some weeds until this fool get here, because I'm tired of my yard looking like a jungle. And then when we get here, fuck it. I don't even know what I want to say. So it is raining today. Pretty sure we're gonna have a little beacon of dryness. Hopefully this fool hurry up and get here while it ain't raining. So I mean, for the most part, he's gonna be the one out here test fitting this shit. I'm gonna just be letting him use my stuff, and then I'll be taking the measurements and figuring out what offset my man needs. But yeah, I love seeing these things next to each other, man. This is such a sexy duo. After owning both cars and having both cars side by side, it's like obviously we like the modernness of the C6, but it's like I still like the aesthetics of the C5. I don't know, it's hard to pick. But yeah, next on my list is I really want a C7. C7, I want one bad. But anywho, we ain't talking about the Vettes today. We'll do a comparison some other day. This is what I want to address today. Man, look at this. This is crazy. Weeds, dandelions. Then we come over here. We just got the grass growing through. They put this little liner shit down, but obviously it didn't work with the bark. And we got a crazy grass field growing right here. So much so the shit is starting to touch the fox. I used to do landscaping for years on years, and I've picked so many weeds that I hate picking weeds. But come on now, like we just can't have dandelions growing right here in my fucking yard. Look, like bruh, this thing has a snail on it. Like he's just living comfortably. We're not gonna kill him. We're just gonna pull all this up. He's gonna go in the trash with him. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work, and I'll be back with y'all once my boy Aaron gets here. So see y'all in a second. Nah. How can we do a transition off this or something? I don't know. Oof. I'm not sure how I can transition off of it. Should we just do the bunch of stuff and then we do the snap and it disappear? Like, I'm not sure how I feel about that. Or do we just snap back like that and be like, yeah, nah, that wasn't the one. I don't know how I want to transition off this, man. I'm not sure if that's Aaron out here or not. Oh no, never mind. It's a coyote.
Get your hands over me. Get your hands off.
They cold? Are they cold?
Yes, they are cold.
You so warm, Granny? Give me that back. Give me that back.
Oh, hell no.
You feel like boiling water. Sheesh, you hot.
No.
Kaya, what are you doing? Kaya, what are you doing under there? Alright, so while I wait for Black Aaron, man, I've been craving French toast like crazy. And honestly, I don't think anybody makes better French toast than the baby mama. I might have to give Aaron a little baby slice to see what he thinks, because A little bite, a little nibble. Black Aaron over here about to test the best French toast in the world.
I already had me a French toast.
Nah, this some new shit. We getting innovative around here.
Oh, okay.
Try that thing. It's like French toast banana pudding. Oh, she did you dirty. She didn't even give you no bananas.
I don't want no bananas, bruh.
Here, go ahead.
You be on that healthy stuff,
Nigga, ain't nothing healthy about French toast. This is sugar diabetes in a form of bread.
That's why I needed it.
This shit smack, huh? Man, that's the new sauce. All right, now that we done stuffing our face,
Pretty nippy.
you said what?
I said it's pretty nippy.
A little sprinkles. Sprinkle me, man. Sprinkle me, man. I want to test my old C6 Z06 spider wheels on here. And then depending on how those look, if they're sunken or not, we could also test out my old ESRs, which I think would probably be a little too low on offset from what I see on F-bodies. But, I mean, we'll try the spiders first, and then I know for sure that if that shit sticks out even a little bit with the spiders, it's going to be literally probably like Mexi flush with the ESRs. Look, we got the spiders.
Spider lokes.
So these are staggered 18 9.5 and 1912. So I think these look good on F bodies. I prefer these probably over like any other factory wheel that could possibly fit on here.
Always coming up with the drip, huh?
So yeah, I'm gonna be here recording from the shelter of my garage. My Aaron over there in the rain.
That's a little start.
I'm coaching. You got it, baby. Let's go.
Okay, Dad.
You can do it. Put your back into it.
Yeah.
Nigga, how tight did you tighten them?
Shit, I don't even know. I didn't know how you was typing that tight.
I think they're over torqued, sir. Over torqued right there.
I see that, sir. Fuck you, asshole. God damn.
Nigga, you put them on?
I know.
Oh, maybe when you went to the tire shop, they probably hit it with an impact.
I never went to the tire shop. I did it at work.
Oh yeah, that was you then.
Yep.
Over torque, like that one loose. Don't fall, bro, because I'm gonna make you a blooper. 100%. Yo ass fall, you're gonna be a blooper.
Come on now.
See, hitting it with the hand thing. But we got the impact right here. But fuck it. He gonna watch this back like dumbass nigga. Nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Nah, you said something, cuz.
I didn't say nothing.
You said something.
You'll figure out what I said in the video.
I think it was from Jackson or something.
That ain't what I said.
Huh?
That ain't what I said, but I mean Jackson's right there.
Oh, the way I dressed today?
No. You'll see it. You'll see it when I play back when you watch the video.
Nah.
You did camp. You came dressed to go
Nah,
somewhere
I
after.
wasn't.
You gonna clap some cheeks after this?
I wasn't at home.
You was clapping cheeks, huh?
Maybe.
That's a we going out type of fit.
I was jacking off.
So we going out type fit.
I was jacking off.
Like I'm gonna pick you up at 7, girl. Be ready. Well, seeing as how you be over torquing stuff, you don't need no impact.
Nah, I not to tighten something, nigga. I just wanted to loosen that you fucking had.
Nah, take the front one off. Take them both off, and then we, you know what I'm saying, when they both go on at the same damn time. Nah, you gonna mess around and strip them. You do it by hand.
This nigga, man. Y'all see how you do me? This don't make no sense.
Yeah, do it by hand. Before you get stuck over here and stripped it, now you can't go home. Look at my boy getting good with them fingers, working them fingers, boy. Work it, work it. All right, that's the rear one, Big Dad.
Big Daddy.
I just got the fresh retwist. Now they getting wet for you, man. I'm gonna charge you a retwist fee. You ain't gonna need no more offset. Luckily, when it goes down, it'll camber in some. I think this is the most offset you'd be able to run on here, honestly. The other wheels will be, whew, you'd be out here looking at them eBay flares. Moment of truth, let's see. Not too bad. The rears are perfect. The front could definitely use a little bit more offset. Yeah, fronts could use, from what I see, at least, you can still get like 20 millimeters. I think the other wheels that I have will look proper on the front. The rear offset is perfect, which is crazy because this is like a, I think 57, 57, 59. All right, so Aaron just went to the back. He's going to the shed to go grab one of the ESR wheels. I want to see what the front one looks like because the front offset is a lot lower. So it'll be weird trying to figure out wheels on this because if he runs a 12 in the back, he's going to need, that's a 59. So with the 325 on a 12, between 60 and 50 is what he'll need in the rear. And then the fronts, if this requires like a 25, then yep, there it is. Almost perfect. This would be the perfect offset for it because when you put coilovers or lowering springs or whatever, it's gonna lower, it's gonna camber it in some. You could probably even go even lower offset than this, honestly. Alright, what's good with my peeps? Y'all seen that yesterday. Our boy Black Aaron was here, messing with his F-body a little bit. And today, before I end this video, I got some test fitting and I need y'all help on deciding. Well, I can't already decided, but I want to see what y'all opinion is. So, you guys know that I've been kind of like, on this wing right here. So today we're gonna go throw this back on, but I do have the new wing. The new wing is sitting right next to it. I don't know if you can see it right there, you know what I'm saying? Because this camera does a good job at blurring the background, so y'all might not be able to see it, but it's over there next to it. All right, so y'all know this one. This is the bigger one, the big wang. Full carbon fiber. Like, it doesn't look bad on here, but I just don't like how it sits, honestly. So let's see. Throw this on here without scratching it, give y'all one last look, see what y'all think. So I see it goes all the way over, comes to this trunk line. Not bad. Does have a little gap right here that I kind of wish wasn't there. You can see it's gapped and then pulls over, and it's pretty even. It's gonna be the same thing on this side. Look, spot dead in the center. But this is what it looks like, just sitting up there. Y'all already seen it, so I'm just giving y'all one last look. That way y'all can get a direct comparison between this one and the other one. Like, it doesn't look bad. This is like my first choice, but if you look right here, this side is completely flat. See it flat, and then this side lifts up. Like, it has a crazy ass bow in it. My guess is when they were storing this thing, they had it standing upright, and this is the side that got bent outward. That's the only thing I can think of that would explain why this bow would be right here. And this is a solid piece, so there's nothing really you can really do about it. So look, if I push this down to make it flat, this side's gonna go up. Look, I ain't talking about a little bit either. So yeah, this is a no-go. God, it looks, I really like this wing. I wanted it to work, but I'm not about to have boof-ass fitment just to get this thing to work. Look, you can, bruh. So this is gonna be getting sent back. And then here is the new wing. It is also full carbon fiber, but it's more of like a little, look, you feel me? Look, it's not as big, not as aggressive, just more subtle and clean, which I really like. This is the same wing, honestly, that was this is the exact same wing that was on my on my last C5. Just sits up there like this. Maybe with some blue tape, a little double side tape. If anything, I'm gonna probably panel bond this on, but I dig this. Fitment is a bit better. Nice and sleek. Not too overly exaggerated, just enough little pop of carbon to make it look like something. Not bad, not bad. All right, so I'm about to get ready to prep this thing, to ready to mount it up. Got the 30-pound double side tape. So if a nigga do try to go rip this off, pretty much gonna break the spoiler. This ain't coming off. But yeah, let's get this thing prepped and go stick this shit on and see how it comes out. So what I always do is always brake clean the inside of this. That way there's no dust, no dirt, or maybe some like grease or oil or anything like that from the fiberglass. All right, quick look before it go on. That thing is stupid double-sided taped up. One shot at this shit. Alright, just got this thing all mounted up. So we're looking like we good. This is the only little smudge it, but rest of it's like perfect. So not horrible, but it is what it is. Yeah, see this side's like, so I got tape on here. I'm gonna let this thing cure, and then I'll be back tonight, pull the shit off once it cool off, because it is kind of hot right now, so I kind of wanted to go through a hot and cold cycle. It's just barely though, barely, whatever.